Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business listings with Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your business listings with Yelp, begin by navigating to the Yelp for Business Owners website. Click on the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you do not have an account, select sign up to create one. Enter your business name and location in the search bar. Claim your business listing by clicking on claim this business if it appears. If you don't see your business, click on Add your business to Yelp. Fill out the required information about your business. This includes the business name, address, phone number, and category. Once completed, submit the form for review. After your listing is confirmed, log into your Yelp for Business Owners account. Navigate to the Business Information section on the dashboard. Here, you can edit your business details, such as operating hours and website URL. Consider adding high-quality photos to showcase your business. Click on the Photos tab to upload images that represent your brand well. To enhance your listing further, explore the upgrade options available. Consider investing in Yelp's advertising services for increased visibility. Analyze the different packages offered, including enhanced profiles and call-to-action buttons. Select the package that best suits your business goals. Review the pricing and proceed with the purchase. Once upgraded, monitor your listing's performance through the analytics provided. Respond promptly to customer reviews to engage with your audience. Keep your information updated regularly to maintain accuracy. Utilize Yelp's promotional tools to create special offers and discounts. By following these steps, your business listing on Yelp will be upgraded effectively, increasing your visibility and customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.